No, I don't want to really see this thing. I hate snakes. I can't do snakes. Ah!
He didn't even move.
He didn't move.
You sure it's a snake?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Alright. Okay. I'm in one too. It's purple. And I'm so pretty. Yeah. Alright, so we decided to get our ponchos on. Check this out. That's Jacob under there with his Tony. And we're just out here walking around. The creek right here has rose. A big whoop. I mean, not big whoop, but big surprise. It's raining, right? So, but this is what I'm dealing with. Hold on, I'll spin around real quick. He's like right up on me, right there. And he's under there somewhere. But yeah, you know what? This just goes to show, folks. It doesn't matter. If it's gonna rain, it doesn't matter. Get out. It was hot today. It was 91 degrees. I was sweating earlier. And now we're out here in the rain with the purple peter, I don't know, people eater. The purple people eaters, I don't know, anyway. And we're out here having a good time, though. That's all that matters. Just get out, folks. Just get out. That's what this is all about. That's what the YouTube channel is about. It's about showing you guys there's always something to do on the weekend that's better than sitting on the couch. Just get out. You know, we have two-wheel drive trucks. Doesn't matter. Don't let it stop you. You know what I just realized? My beard looks short, and I might have to cut my beard off. That looks kind of good. This guy. I'm telling you. Anyway, we're going to go up here. He thumbs up for the beard. So the wife would enjoy that too. The land is getting covered. Here, hold on. Did a lot of visiting. We did a hike about a mile up the road just to check things out. And yeah, no cameras. So
Action.
all right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna smash one burger, stack everything up and do it like a grilled cheese, and oh man, these things are delicious.
Happy birthday.
How long you been up?
Like 15 minutes.
Oh, I even spelled my name right. It's your birthday. Hope it's fantastic. No matter how you send it or spend it, excuse me. Happy birthday. Oh man, you even got me a Walmart card. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it, man. Heck yeah, that's more than I was expecting.
More than you were expecting.
Yeah, I was just expecting to go out and have a good time.
Oh, well, there you go.
I appreciate it, man.
We're stuck.
I told you, man, there's no hope. I mean, maybe they didn't have anything. Maybe they didn't have winches. Maybe they didn't have a tow rope.
Yeah.
That's right. Surely they had a tow stroke. Tow stroke.
They had a tow stroke.
A tow rope or something, you know.
They had a winch.
Husqvarna to the rescue, baby. That's right. That's why you carry a chainsaw. Gas or electric, I don't care, just carry one.